Welcome back! Once your broker is running with security measures in place, and your users are created and configured with super safe passwords like this, it's time to start adding capabilities to your machine. You're going to need Flux assets. Think of them like software building bricks. According to what your project requires, you will choose which assets you need, how many, and how they connect with each other. So once you're connected to your broker in the Coreflux hub, go to Broker's Assets. At first, this will be empty. Start by logging into your account. If you haven't got an account, now's the time to sign up. Click here to create one. You can also log in directly with Google or GitHub for your convenience. Side note, visit us on GitHub if you'd like to contribute to the improvement of our tools by reporting bugs and requesting features, or if you're just curious about our development roadmap. Once you log in, you can start acquiring assets. Click Add Asset in the corner, and you'll see a list of all available assets, how many of each are in your account, how many are currently available to install, and the options to install or buy more. For this example, we're going to install a Siemens S7 asset. After reading the description to confirm this is the asset you need, click Install Asset. Once it's done, it appears in your broker's assets. Now you can name it appropriately. Click this Options button to configure it. The config options are different for each asset. Go to docs.coreflux.org to find individual documentation and tutorials for each one. The two essential sections are the configurations you can import and export in JSON format, and all the tags you can add to each asset. Tags are elements that can transform into topics. You can also configure a behavior, like a restart policy, every time an event happens. These ensure the system responds every time you require it to. Click Save Configuration. And now you can start and stop the asset. You can check what it's doing in mqtt Explorer. You can see the memory size of its usage, number of threads, if it's responding, and much more. There you go. See you on the next tutorial.